Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, once again, I have just had a session for Forex and binary option. So, for the binary option part, as this is a binary option video, you can see I have done these 4 trades here. Basically, the first entry in the session I had today was a little bad entry. So, I did double up when I came up to the line, and you can see basically won every single trade. So today I made a beautiful profit of $280. If you want to join these sessions also, link below the video for WhatsApp and Telegram. And also if you want to see my screen, because I share my screen for every single session also, it's 1 hour every single day from Monday till Saturday, not Sunday but Saturday. You find a link below the video for that also. Also, if you want to copy what I'm doing, you need a broker, and you will need to use the same broker like I do, because if you use another broker, a winning trade for me can be a losing trade for you. So just use the link you find up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video to use this broker. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Then, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification thing, and also below the video, if you have any question, put them below. Okay, now let's see if we can find some more trading opportunities. Now the line we were trading in the session you see here was the line you see up here. It's a beautiful line. Let's see if we can find one more in this video. So let's open the first here. Like, this is not a beautiful line for me. We can look to the past if actually it looks like it can be something. Let's see. If I were to take it, need at least to be in the lower region here. Let's see if we take it to green, the thickest line. Okay, if you come down there, I can consider it. Let's see. If you want to do that, let's change for 30. I did see in the past that this had worked as a resistance before, so that means it can be a support now. So, but we need at least to come down to the green line for me to have interest. Now let's see. If we break above this area, let's make a line for that. Let's make it a blue thin line. If a bar break above, I hate when this happens there. New line here, blue. If we break above this blue line up here, then we are moving on. So now we just need to wait. So this video don't get too long. I think I'll just go for one winning trade. So you see I just mark here, and the reason I did approve it, I will show after. I just need to, now you can zoom out here. You see over, you see here work and also some like support here, you see. Let's zoom in super fast and let's be ready. Sometimes you need to zoom very far out to find something to see if it's valid. Now we are not trading this blue line. This is just a marker to tell me that if we break above here, close with a bar above here, not break, but close, then we are moving on to a new pair, because otherwise the video will be too long. Now let's see. For some reason my video yesterday almost did not get any views, so it's not always the Google algorithm like my videos. So that's why it's very important you make sure you like my videos and help me out. Because the theme of making money is not always something YouTube and Google and all this shit like that much. So now let's see. And maybe now, because I did say shit, I will not even get monetized for this video. Because they don't like when you say bad words. Like we are children here. So now let's see. Okay, that was a fake out. After a fake out, sometimes you break down, let's say. Or this can be just his telling to go, be ready to go up. That's the thing. 50-50. But looks like he wants to go up. If you do that, yeah, I think we move on. Let's find that line. I do not like the line so much, by the way. Here is nothing. Let's move on. Let's zoom out. Sorry. Here I like actually quite a lot. Let's see. Let's take a line here. There. Let's make it red. If you cannot come up to this line there, yeah, why not? We take a try. We are ready. Nothing amazing either, but good enough for now. If we lose, we have a line up here we can take. That's it. You're in. Terrible entry, but we take it. We take a 200 if we lose. Now that's it. Now we want to break up. We got to lose this one, but we have a new line up there. This one will then turn green, and let's see. We are in again. Not the best entry either, but this was a little better. Now let's see. So now we basically trade based on the line you see here, and this one now is turned green, so we can trade on that line also. So now we take a 400 if we lose this one. Now let's see. And we won that trade. So there you have it. Let's see if we can take a one more trade just for fun. If we go down to this line here, I think that will work as a resistance. I think we can move this line up there, take one there, we are in. Beautiful entry. You see that these areas are very strong. So we did just take one more trade. Let's see how that pan out. Looks like you want to go more up. How we are then with lines, we can take a line up in this area. Let's see. We won. Okay, then we did not need that. I would have taken a trade up here. I would have, if I lost a trade, I would have taken a new one up there. And if you had broken up around here, I would have then turned this one to green and trade on that one also. But we did not need that. So what profit did we make here now? We spent $300 on this trading session. We take plus 390 plus 195. So we made a nice, beautiful profit of $285. That's pretty amazing. So basically, no, wait, no. Let's do one more time. Minus 300 plus 390 plus 195. No, we lost one trade here. Let's do one more time. We spent 400, of course. 400. I need more coffee in the morning. 390 plus 195. $205, of course, we made. But still good, still good. So basically, in a matter of few minutes, we made $205. And you can see, if we had lost here, we would have taken a trade on here, and you see we would have won on the green line. So you see how powerful it is to make up these lines. So if you lose one trade, you can easily get out of it with martingale. But martingale the correct way. Many people, they just throw in martingales like randomly. I don't do that. I only martingale on specific points where we know we have a very high win rate. The win rate on this we're doing, I did trade without martingale before. It's more between 85 and 90% win rate. It's so high win rate that when you martingale, you can do it without worry at all. Worst case scenario I've seen, and then I did take one line a little bad. So typically I would have lost only 2, but I lost actually 3 times in a row. But if I had done things correctly, taken my time to put up the lines correctly, I would only have lost 2 times. So this is by far the best strategy if you want to trade binary option. If you want to build an account, this is the only and best way. You can find many rubbish, like a 2-minute strategy bullshit you find on YouTube. Don't use it. Don't use it. You will lose money. This is the only one that is simple, no indicator, print money. You see today now? Basically, here you see the trades I done today. Here, all money, all money. So make sure you start to use this strategy also if you want to start winning money instead of losing money in binary option. So now YouTube will tell you that you probably will like this video. So as YouTube tell it, probably it's true. And you find links below the video if you want to start to use this broker also. So with that, have an amazing day and enjoy your weekend.